Hello, good afternoon guys. Now we finished repairing this 1 HP Condora split inverter AC. The problem of this before was dead set. Now the problem we encountered, we replaced the power supply of a control display transformer because it almost shorted the secondary. When we replace, now this is now the result. Now it is cooling so far. Okay. Now, this is our customer, one of our customer, aircon technician. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, you have to press the like button and please subscribe. Okay guys, now it's far. He is from Bulacan. I appreciated his effort to bring here his split window type AC to be repaired. Okay guys, until next video, thank you.